Hello, good morning, guys. We are back with another vlog. As you guys can read by the title, we are going to another Ralph Lauren sample sale. This is my third time going to a sample sale. I will link in the cards my other two sample sale videos so you guys can check it out. But we're back with another one. I'm heading out. I'm running late, but I just wanted to start the vlog before I left. I'll show you guys my outfit when I get there. No, my nail. Not my nail being stuck in my bag, y'all. Got this little bag, so my nail got stuck in it. But heading out right now. I will see you guys there. And like I said, I'll show you guys my outfit once I get there. And yeah, let go. So just made it to the sample sale. Back at the same building I was in the last vlog. The last sample sale vlog if you watched it. But let go. Let's see what it's giving. I got a few things that I want in my head, so we gonna see. Hello everybody, good morning. It is 2 days later after the sample sale. I did not vlog when I got back from the sample sale. I am getting ready right now to go get my hair done. So before I left the house, I was like, let me show you guys what I got. So first things first, I got 3 pieces. I narrowed it down to 3 pieces because I promised myself I wasn't gonna shop. First thing I got was this knitted tank. It's a halter style, but it's a knitted tank. Love this. This tank is 100% silk. It is purple label. The original price was $690. I ended up paying $35, but I just loved it. I love the look of it. I love the style of that. It was all black. They had a black one and had a cream one. I ended up getting the black one because I just saw an outfit in my head with it. And then the next thing I got was another purple label piece. This one was a women's piece. The knitted top was a women's piece. This is a men's piece. A men's purple label tuxedo shirt, which I wanted a tuxedo shirt for a while and I wanted it to be big so it could be oversized. But when I saw this one, I was like, ooh, I'm gonna do like a cutaway. I'm sure you guys can see the details a little bit. I'm gonna do a cutaway so you guys can see the actual detail on the shirt. The detail is freaking beautiful. It has like RLL all over it. So the detail is what really sold it for me. Pretty sure this shirt is probably a calm, honestly, like $450, $500. I paid $30 for it. So yeah, that was that. I wish I could find the tag inside. It's somewhere in here, but from my recollection and knowledge of how much things cost, pretty sure it was that much. So yeah, $30 for that. And then the last piece I got was another men's piece, which is a purple label blazer. I went in saying that I wanted a brown pinstripe blazer. The pinstripe one was huge. It was like a 46, which yeah, it was huge. So I got this one, which is a 36 short. And yeah, I love it. It's brown. I've been wanting to add a brown blazer into my wardrobe. And I love that it still had this stitching on it. You're supposed to take the stitching out, but I'm going to keep it in because I think it's such a cute little added detail to the look. It's, you know, it just adds a little extra pops. That's the 3 pieces that I ended up getting from the sample sale. Like I said, this is my 3rd Ralph Lauren sample sale. My favorite one would definitely have to be the first one I went to, which was back in December 2021. And then my second favorite would be back in April 2022. And then this is definitely my least favorite. They had good pieces, but definitely the first 2 was better pieces for me. I was mad because this one didn't have any belts and I really flopped back in April. There's so many belts and I didn't get any. I was just like, whatever. And now I'm thinking back like, damn, I could have got so many belts and I flopped on myself. I didn't get any. But guys, I'm about to head out. Oh yeah, I found the price for the button down. Yep, see, $4.95 was the button. I told you it was like $450, $500. $4.95 for the button down and I paid $30. But yeah, I have to head out because I gotta go get my hair done. I don't want to be late. So I will see you guys later. I'll definitely be vlogging for the rest of the day so you guys can see how my hair turned out and what I'm doing. I'm doing faux locks. I'll tell you guys that because I'm going on vacation, like I said, in a couple weeks, and it's gonna be my hairstyle for the rest of the summer. I don't have to touch my hair. Just, I could style it up however I want and go, or just get out, put on my outfit and go. So I'm about to head out. I will talk to you guys later. So I'm not leaving yet. My hairstylist is running late, so I have some time to kill. So I wanted to show you guys 2 other pieces that I recently got. The first one is this ring from my friend Erica, my sis. She has a ring line, jewelry line. It's called the Accent Look. She makes rings, she makes arm cuffs. So this is a new piece that I just got in. Love this. It's like the double ring. Put it on your finger. Such a statement piece. Love this ring. And then the next thing I want to show you guys is a piece from Ralph Lauren. It is this Ralph Lauren cap. It's the green cap. It says polo back here. It has the brown strap, which I love because I love the contrast of the green and the brown. And we have like the gold brass. And then it says pushing polo. In the front, it says Polo RL on the front, but love this cap. I've been eyeing it for a while, finally got it, and I love the satin finish. Like the satin material is so good. So got that. So I just want to show you guys 2 pieces so I don't have to make like a separate haul, including the vlog, of course. Good morning, guys. Good morning. It is June 28th, 2022. It is Tuesday. Hey, I'm back vlogging. I'm up this morning. I've been up, but I just started vlogging for the day. I'm up, catching up on some YouTube videos, and I'm about to buy myself a new suitcase set because I never had like a full-on like set of like the carry-on, then the medium one, and then the large one. Like I never had a full set. I always had like one of one, one on one, one on one. And I'm kind of upset because a couple years ago, I got this DVF, Diane von Furstenberg suitcase. It was the carry-on suitcase, and they had the whole set, and I didn't get the whole set. And now it's sold out. It's gone, nowhere to be found. So I have that separate, and then I have another one from Calpac that was a separate that my dad bought me when I was going to Paris back in 2018. And then I have this other random like pink one. And then I have another pink one that has, it's like Vegas stuff all over it. So I have 4 suitcases that's just like singular. And then of course I have a duffel bag from Spray Ground and then like a matching backpack. So that's the like luggage I have. So I'm like, I want to buy myself a full set, the 3 sets. So my dream one was to have like an aluminum, like the silver aluminum one. I just found one on Home Depot, which is a 3 set for $139, which is crazy because all the ones I'm looking at are like Away and Calpac and all that is like 700, 800, 600. So to get it 3 set for $139, such an amazing deal. But I'm doing one more scan of Google to see if I see anything else. And then if not, then I'm going to get the one from Home Depot. You know, I want to have cute little luggage and a cute little luggage set, you know. I'm getting older. I want to have like a set, not just have random ass shit, random suitcases or whatever. But yeah, that's what I have going on right now. And then I'm going to get up and cook because my brother just went to the supermarket to go buy some stuff. And I'm going to go cook something because I'm hungry. But yeah, that's what I have going on this morning. I'm also going to work out today. I'm going to do like a little stretch workout. I want to clean up my room. And then I want to send out some emails. Yesterday, I focused just on filming. It was the BET Awards on Sunday, so I filmed the fashion review. I filmed 3 performance reactions for my music channel. So yesterday was basically filming and editing day. Today is more like sending out emails and office work and stuff. So yeah, that's what I got going on right now. I'm going to be better with the vlogation. Hey guys, so it's little bit later. I am cleaning my room right now, but before I finish cleaning, I wanted to show you guys this new jacket that I got. It's this little lambskin moto, off-white moto jacket. So fire. With the belt right across from it, and it has gold hardware, gold detail, right? Fire, 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 fire. Cannot wait for the fall, winter to come around so I can pull this baby out. But shout out to my coworker. He gave this to me. He had 2 of them and he ended up giving me 1 of them. So I am so appreciative. I'm so thankful. And I am in love. He's like, yeah, Brie, I know you will be able to style this. And I love it because I've been wanting like a white leather moto jacket for a long time. But the ones I see always look kind of like cheap. So when he said, do you want the other one? I was like, yeah, of course. So thank you to him. And it's so good, so good. I'm about to hang it up and I'll probably take it downstairs to my basement with like all my other jackets and coats and stuff. But I wanted to show you guys it before I finish cleaning up my room. And yeah, I wanted to come back in and check in with you guys. So you guys saw, I told you guys I had breakfast, I already had lunch, you saw me work out, and now I'm clean. I took a little nap because I wasn't feeling too well. And yeah, and now I'm cleaning my room, and then I'm gonna send out some emails. It's 6:10 p.m. But yeah, that's what I did today. I'll be back at work tomorrow and then Thursday, and then I'm off for the weekend, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday for 4th of July weekend. So yeah, I guess I'll check in back with you guys later, or maybe tomorrow. I don't know, we'll see. But I'll see you guys when I see you.